Good afternoon. Ngayon po ay April 12, 2026 Sunday at ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 p.m. draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 2 p.m. draw result ngayong April 12, 2026 Sunday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero ang lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 2 p.m. 3D Lotto 2 p.m. draw result ngayong Sunday, April 12, 2026. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number ang lumabas ang para sa 3D Lotto 2 p.m. See you again later for 5 p.m. draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for April 12, 2026 Sunday. Here are the tonight's jackpot estimates of Super Lotto 649 and Ultra Lotto 658 for Sunday, April 12, 2026. Thank you for watching this 2 p.m. video for afternoon of April 12, 2026 Sunday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.